Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix iPhone flashlight not working. So guys, here you can see I am turning on my flashlight and flashlight is working smoothly. So guys, if in your iPhone flashlight is not working properly or automatic turn off your flashlight, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So guys, first of all, you need to reset all the settings in your phone. So guys, you need to do not reset factory data. So guys, you need to reset only settings. So guys, how can you reset only settings? So guys, simply click on settings and click on general and click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset and click on reset all settings. So guys, by doing reset all settings, only settings of your iPhone will be reset and your data not be loses in this case. So guys, after doing this, the second method is you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. So guys, how can you update? Click on system settings and the general and click on software update. And guys, here you can see iOS 17.0. So guys, my iPhone is latest iOS version. So guys, if you are using less iOS version in your iPhone, then guys, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS 17. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back. And guys, the third method is you need to click on Apple Support. And guys, after this, you need to click on iPhone you in your gadget and click on more. And guys, after doing this, you need to scroll it down and scroll down. And guys, after this, you need to scroll it down and here you need to search flashlight. So guys, if not find your flashlight in this tab, then guys, you need to click on, here is the option of tell us what happening. So guys, you need to click on it. And guys, here you need to write your problem. So guys, if you have any kind of problem related to flashlight, then you need to write here your problem that flashlight is not working or automatically turn off in my iPhone. And then guys, you need to next and submit your appeal. And guys, after submitting your appeal, then within a day your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing all the methods, if still not fixed your flashlight of your iPhone, then guys, you need to change your flashlight of your iPhone by iPhone's mechanic. So guys, you need to go to iPhone mechanic and tell them your problem, and they will change this flashlight of your iPhone and your flashlight will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.